Stocks plunge as pandemic fears resurface. On Wednesday, the Nifty and Sensex dropped by 1.4% and 1.3%, marking their steepest fall since October 26th. Pandemic fears made a comeback, triggered by Singapore's mask mandates due to the spread of COVID-JN1. The broader markets took an even bigger hit. The Nifty Mid-Cap 150 and Small-Cap 250 fall by over 3% each. Adani Twins, Adani Ports, and Adani Enterprises each fall by around 6%. Commodity stocks like Coal India, UPL, and Tata Steel tanked by 4 to 5%. Small-cap stocks, Ratan India Enterprises, Indian Overseas Bank, India Bulls Housing Finance, and UCO Bank fell over 10%. Mid-cap stocks IRFC, Policy Bazaar, Piramal Enterprises, Yes Bank, and Indus Towers shed 7.5 to 9%. Analysts are saying a 5 to 10% fall was on the horizon after such a bull run. What do you think? Will market continue going down? Comment below.
Accenture bagged $450 million projects in GenAI in 3 months. That's a 50% jump from the $300 million they scored in the previous 6 months. If Accenture's GenAI business keeps growing at this rate, experts say it could hit a staggering $4 billion by the end of this financial year. Accenture seems to be ahead of the game compared to homegrown tech giants like Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, and HCL Technologies. In the first quarter, Accenture reported a whopping $18.4 billion in order bookings, with total revenue reaching $16.2 billion. In this, GenAI contributes about 2.4% of total order book. The momentum is building. Order bookings for GenAI projects were only 0.6% in March to May, but they've picked up speed since then. What do you think about Accenture's strides in artificial intelligence? Comment below.
Saudi Arabia emerges as the investor's new China. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman is steering Saudi Arabia away from oil. With Russia out and China losing its shine, investors are turning towards Saudi as there's serious cash flowing into MBS's Vision 2030 plan. The Tadawul, Saudi's stock exchange, is booming, up more than 11% this year. That's double the growth of the MSCI benchmark. Fergus Argyle, the brains behind an emerging markets fund, thinks Saudi Arabia is like China in the 2000s. Interest is rising, and it's still a hidden gem in many investors' portfolios. Even with over $3 billion flowing in this year, it's just a fraction of what came in when Saudi joined the MSCI benchmark 4 years ago. But analysts are optimistic. Tadawul is the Middle East's biggest and most liquid stock exchange. It's not just banks and oil companies anymore. Healthcare, retail, and power players are joining the party. What do you think about Saudi Arabia's economic makeover? Comment below.